What's going on, man? YouTube, it's your boy West Too Slow. Come back at y'all boys with another video slash vlog slash like point of view slash whatever you want to call it, man. But right now we in the Audi. We about to go. I gotta go to the store and get some stuff for my mom to cook. So yeah, I guess we finna do like a grocery store vlog, man. I only gotta get like 2 things though. It's like right in the front, so it's literally like gonna be like 5 minutes. But yeah, we finna go. We finna go to the grocery store. We finna go to H-E-B low key. You know, H-E-B, they just built one by my crib and they got all that good stuff, you feel me? So H-E-B, we finna stop there. And then that little dude looking at me and stuff, bro. Little dude, what you doing, little dude? But yeah. We're on the way there right now. I forgot how to even get there. I think it's down here. So them bikes, we got the whole bike line up. That's kind of fire. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing right now. I'm in my neighborhood, so I ain't trying to like show nothing crazy. But yeah, we finna go to the grocery store. I'm gonna catch our boys when when I get back on the road, I actually can drive. Yeah. Hey, y'all boys, we's on the road. Whew. Up in the Audi with it. On the road again. Oh, look at that. Audi twin. Twin right in front of me. Look good, twin. Twin, where you going? Oh, he trying to get. Oh yeah. My boy right here. That boy in that big Audi. That boy in that big Audi with me. What is he in? He got a. Oh, that's an A6. I got the A5. Oh, he in that new edition. He in that new edition. He in that mud better than me. This that slow mud. This that slow mud. I ain't gonna lie. This that slow mud. But
try.
Yeah, man. Look at the weather. It's like kind of gloomy today. It's like a stormy day. Calm vibes. You feel me? Honda Sport, Honda Civic Sport. But yeah, man. I ain't gonna lie. What's the fit, y'all? Missing the fit? We got the Armani on. Nothing crazy. Armani exchange. Look at that slow stain. Look at that slow stain right there. But yeah, y'all boys already know what's up. I thought that was a Rolls Royce. That's a freaking Crown Vic. It's actually right here. Hold on, I gotta actually turn it right now. Oh, let me get up there. Yeah. See that? That's how you do traffic right there. That's how you make traffic work for you. You gotta calculate traffic. You gotta calculate the math. I'm gonna be able to go. I'm gonna go to this car right here. Yeah, we good right here. Alright. Saying. Hey guys, welcome to H-E-B. So let me see. Oh, actually, I'm glad. Dang, I ain't gonna lie, it's kinda not that many people here today. It's like dead up in here. Let's see if I can find somewhere to park. Dang, H-E-B kinda not lit at all. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down, find somewhere to park, and I'm gonna let y'all boys when we in there. Yeah. We got the goods, boys. We got the goods. It's deep up in here. It's deep.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We got the goods. Oh yeah. Good, boys. We got that shit. Oh yeah. Shit, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if I remember where I parked at. Oh, here we go. We got that. Engage. I'm gonna go back to the V. It's just my turn right here. We got the Audi like me. Yeah. I don't want H-E-B pretty dead today, bro. Ain't nobody really out here for real. Ain't no bad bitches, ain't no baddies. Shit dead.
What is that?
Yeah. Walking up to the V-ski. Hold on, I gotta block my license plate, make sure nobody see this. Good, good. Oh. 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 Oh, yeah. What did I say? Who you know your V that say welcome west? It's welcome me right when I get in my V. Look at this slow pony right here, bro. I ain't going nowhere, gang. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we get back on the road. Yo. Yeah, gassed up, shorty. Said I need my 40. We in comfort. Y'all trying to do that sport or what? Like, what's good with it today? Cause they playing with my top. Like I don't really get up on them. That Bronco kind of fire with them headlights. Y'all see them headlights on that Bronco? That mud kind of hard. They just like yellow. Like you gotta get the OLED. Come on, man. 2023. I ain't gonna lie. Why yellow lights kind of? They might be the new way, bro. Them yellow lights be looking like hard though. I ain't gonna lie. But we're gonna be at this red light for about 10 hours, I'm guessing. Texas lights, they don't like to change. They very slow.
2,000 years later.
There's Camaro behind me. What is that? I don't know what that is. I don't think I know. That's a freaking super slow, I think.
A few moments later.
You better not turn in my lane, bro. Oh, I hate people, bro. Gassed up, shorty. Said I need my 40. Man, this Camaro is slow, cuz. This Camaro is slow, cuz. We're gonna take the long way home so I can get y'all a little content video real quick, a little driving. You see this Honda Hellcat trying to freaking tee up or something. Tea time, tea time, tea time. Tea time like I got a slick on my wrist. Tea time like I'm a chicken nugget. What's that in front of me? Tea time like I eat a biscuit on me. Nowadays, crazy. I ain't even manual. Or somewhat manual, I guess. People be hating on me because I call it manual, even though the car not manual, it's automatic. But it don't really matter. Like, you get your money up, not your funny up.
Is this nigga serious?
Woo! That mug get Upperton. Manual, hold on. Y'all boys ready? That mug sound a little bit diff. That mug sound a little diff. That thing sounds too good, bro. This car sound good. Oh, this is my turn. Downshift. Downshift. Turn. Y'all ready for this pool? Hold on. Downshift. Oh. Oh. That is so freaking sick, man. That is insane.
What did he say?
They're gonna be looking at me like, hey, can't drive that car down here. That's illegal. Frick you, cuz. It's my neighborhood. I own this. This thing sounds too good. I'm cutting grass and stuff. My neighbors are gonna hate me. One more on this turn right here. Hold on. Got y'all right here. Ready? All right, man. Let me chill, man. All right, y'all boys. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. This is a little short, little grocery store vlog. Hey, this is my car here. I'm in it right here because I'm in the hood. So I love y'all boys. I'll catch y'all next video. Yo.
What is that? Oh shit! What is that?